Hello, my name's Richard. Welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a video of one of our fully prepared cars. This is our 2015 1.5 DCI Nissan Qashqai Tekna. It's a top of the range model, 2 private owners, covered 24,000 miles with a full service history. It's just been serviced and MOT. You can see there in the film, 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, all in lovely condition. It's finished in, it's called Nightshade Pearlescent Black. It's a hint of purple in the colour, very, very nice colour. Being the top of the range model, you can see there in the film, it does have the glass panoramic sunroof. It's got a long list of options. It's got the 360-degree camera, so you've got cameras in the mirrors both sides. These are electrically folding mirrors as well. It's got front and rear parking. It's got a rear parking camera as well. It's got parallel parking, bay parking options. It's got the rear privacy glass. It's got full leather interior. The driver's seat's electrically adjustable. The front seats are heated as well with 2-stage heating. It does have touchscreen satellite navigation. It's got Bluetooth music streaming. It's got Bluetooth phone preparation, and it also has DAB radio. Also automatic lights and rain wiper sensors. It's got lane assist, so it's got a warning if you pull out from the moving out from the inside lane to the outside lane on the motorway. It will warn you of any vehicles in your rear view mirror in the blind spot. It's also got cruise control as well. And there's just looking up there at the glass panoramic roof. It does have LED daytime running lights on this car and LED headlights as well, which have now replaced the xenon headlights. Looking in, you can see there the lovely leather upholstery, multi-function steering with the cruise control on it, and it's also got a USB interface as well. These are a stunning car, 0 road tax on this model. It's said the 360-degree camera as well, so you've got side views, rear views, front views. And just looking at last look at the diamond cut wheels, we're just going to move around at the front. Got the LED running lights on the front there. Really stunning car. Please do give me a call. I'm on 01206 512 271. Ask for Richard.